Every family has one, the dish that only ever tasted right when she made it. You ask how much flour, and the answer is, you just know. Then one day the person who just knew isn't there to ask, and the recipe leaves with them. The Family Recipe Heritage Keepsake Binder is built to keep that from happening. A recipe rarely disappears in a dramatic way. It fades, a card gets lost, a memory blurs, and a taste becomes impossible to bring back. This binder is one calm, organized place to gather all of it. The recipes, the cooks behind them, and the stories that make them matter before another one slips away. At its heart is the recipe register. Every family recipe lives here on one line, with its name, the cook it came from, the occasion it belongs to, and where you first found it. A live collection overview keeps a running count as you go, so you can watch your family's cookbook grow, dish by dish. The hardest recipes to save are the ones cooked by feel. A handful of this, a splash of that. So the Recipe Keeper's Guide walks you through turning by feel into measured. You cook the dish once, watch closely, and write down real cups and spoons as you go. A pinch becomes a quarter teaspoon anyone can follow. Beyond the food, there are pages for the people. Cooks and contributors remembers who each recipe came from. Family Traditions captures the meals tied to holidays and gatherings. And Sources notes where a dish began, a grandmother's card, an old church cookbook, a neighbor down the road. It opens in Excel, in LibreOffice, and as a native Google Sheet. Open the included link, choose Make a Copy, and the whole keepsake lands in your own drive, ready to fill in. Share it with the family cooks or print it and write by hand. However you keep it, it stays yours. When you're ready to hand it down, the printable keepsake pages turn your entries into something you can hold. Print a single recipe, a cook's story, or the whole collection. Slip it into a binder and give it as a gift. A keepsake meant to be passed from one kitchen to the next. One thing to keep in mind, this is a keepsake for saving recipes, not a set of tested recipes or food safety advice. The cooking stays yours. The file is a one-time purchase you keep for good, never a subscription that can lapse. Find the Family Recipe Heritage Keepsake Binder on ardentworkshop.com or on Etsy and start writing them down while you still can.